and keep sending me the watch list so that every day by day you will keep on improving. Okay, there is an advanced super trend strategy that I will explain later. This I arrange because if I explain everything at once, you will get confused. I don't want to explain any more things today. Okay. Yeah, if it's uptrend also, it's 45-degree only. Harshit. Is there any doubt regarding super trend strategy? When I was explaining, if you're listening to somewhere else, you're not going to understand. Okay, Hussein, you keep on watching the stock which is listed on futures. I'll send you the stock which has leverage. Keep watching all those stocks. Stop loss also 0.4%. Everybody else put here. For uptrend and downtrend, it is 45-degree. Send watch list only to my Telegram. You need to see 1 minute chart, Shivam Nag. Cash chart, not futures. Stop loss is 0.4%. Any more doubt? All right, so go back, keep analyzing the stocks for the same, and I will once you are clear with the strategies, I will arrange advanced super trend. All right, so that's it. Leave the room. Okay, so I'm looking forward for the super trend watch list. Okay, watch list, you need to just go and apply the strategy in different stocks and send me. I will let you know if it's correct or not. Okay, do not send me unnecessarily. If there is no super trend in one candle, do not send me. You are not going to get reply. It's 18 3 12 2.5. Did I talk about bullish here? I'm talking only about super trend. So why are you talking about bullish trend here? Okay, so that's it. So do send me the watch list and start trading. Okay, bye. Did I talk about pre-market analysis here? Just I talked about super trend, right? So trade only on super trend. What I was explained, just follow that only.
The meeting has ended.